In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task queues in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your queues, how to view tasks within them, and how to create a new queue for yourself or your team. First, open your browser, go to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you have access to the Tasks tool in your portal. If you don't see it later, you may need permissions from an admin. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and locate the CRM section. Depending on your layout, CRM may be collapsed, so hover to expand it. Inside CRM, you'll find options like Contacts, Companies, Deals, and Tasks. Click Tasks to open the task workspace. In the Tasks view, look for the area where queues are managed. You'll see a queue control that lets you switch between different task queues. Click that queue control to open your available queues, then select the queue you want to work from. As soon as you pick one, the task list updates, so you're only seeing tasks assigned to that specific queue. This is helpful for focused work sessions like call blocks, email follow-ups, or onboarding checklists. Use this view to stay on track without bouncing between unrelated tasks. If needed, you can still adjust filters like due date or priority to refine what you're seeing, but the queue keeps everything in the right lane. Now let's create a new queue. In the same Tasks area, click Manage Queues. This opens the queue management screen where you can see existing queues and add new ones. Click Create Task Queue. Give your queue a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious when and how to use it. For example, Morning Prospecting or Post-Demo Follow-up. Next, choose the access type. Pick a private option if the queue is just for you, or a shared option if your team will collaborate within the same sequence of tasks. Shared queues are great for standardized workflows and coverage when multiple people handle similar work. When you're happy with the name and access level, click Save. Your new queue is now available in the Queue menu inside Tasks, ready to organize work the same way as your existing queues. Over time, keep names consistent and focused on outcomes to make it easy to switch contexts. And remember, queues are about flow. Use them to batch similar tasks so you can move quickly and avoid distraction. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to tasks, opened an existing queue to view its tasks, and created a new queue with the right access. You're ready to work smarter in HubSpot with task queues.